Guys, it's me. How are you doing? I wanted to do sort of a walking vlog to kind of tell you about something that I think is really going to help you. What I wanted to tell you is that ginger is a great way for you to kind of really help with some of your issues, especially if you have like really intense menstrual cramps or something like that. It's great for women. I think it's also great for men. I think it reduces your dependency on medications. So a lot of times I will take ginger and that will help. It can also heat you up. I'll tell you a funny story. One time I was in Los Angeles and it was so cold and it was raining too. And the thing about it is I had just gotten off from work, so I was wearing this cute little two-piece like suit, but it wasn't really warm and I hadn't brought a coat or anything like that. So I was completely freezing, and there was this lady who I'll never forget. She was like a Filipina lady, and she was like, oh my God, she was like, you remind me of my daughter. You're so cold. And everyone was like, man, you're so cold. And I was, because I was like all huddled up and the rain was still coming down. I had managed to get underneath the shelter, but the rain just kept coming down. So she was like, let me show you what you can do to make yourself warmer. So she had this little, it looked like shoe polish, but it was in like a little jar. It was a round jar, but inside of it was like a paste, a ginger paste. And she also had some ginger candy. It's like an Asian kind of candy. I absolutely love it. It's called crystallized ginger. And when I was in Los Angeles, I used to religiously go to Chinatown Market, pick up my ginger, pick up my Thai tamarind and other things. I really miss Chinese food and Asian food. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. But anyway, she opened this ginger paste, or I don't know what it was, and she said, put this on your body and it will make you warm. And so what I did was, she helped me, but I put the ginger on my skin, kind of like you would put lotion on your skin. And she also gave me the ginger candy, and I can only tell you that warmed me up so significantly that I was warm. And so ginger has a warming, sort of a soothing complex to it. So I think that there are many uses for it. You can go online and look it up. So I'll probably put in the description some of the things that ginger can do for you. And if you're a vegetarian, it's really important that you not just eat good vegetables, good fruits, but also that you look into eating different kinds of roots, because they really haven't done as much study on roots and what they are capable of. And I love yam and cocoa yam. It's like my favorite fruits. And maybe like 3 years ago, I looked up some of the properties of yam. And so I think yam is really important too. I think a lot of people underestimate what roots can do for the body. There's actually a location it's like a city in Yoruba land in Nigeria, and they have the most twin births, right? And so because of this, the people eat a very high amount of yam root there. And so I think it's really important to think about what these different kinds of foods can do for you. And a lot of the so-called exotic foods, we really haven't studied them. Like, we study things like maybe avocado, maybe some other kinds of things, but we really haven't studied these other kinds of fruits and vegetables that are eaten in other societies. And so I find that yam really has a big impact when it comes to your internal organs and things like that. And I really recommend that you actually try it. I would suggest that if you are you might have to go to some sort of special store. I find if you're looking to try yam for the first time, maybe what you want to do is go to like a Latin store or a Caribbean store, because that is in the United States, and I know most of you guys watching here are from the US. That's where you'll find a lot of these roots. So I want to encourage you to eat more roots, especially if you're a vegetarian like me. I hope that this video helped you, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!